Choosing the perfect blender, Hamilton Beach Power Elite, Ninja bl610, and Black & Decker PowerCrush comparison. Are you looking for the perfect blender to elevate your home cooking game? With so many models promising top performance, it can be overwhelming to make the right choice. Today, we'll help you cut through the noise and discover which blender best meets your needs. Let's start by introducing the three contenders in this blender showdown. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender, the Ninja bl610 Professional Blender, and the Black & Decker PowerCrush Blender all stand out for their features, performance, and affordability. But what truly sets them apart? This budget-friendly option is perfect for basic blending tasks. The 58148A model includes 12 blending functions for smoothies, purees, and salsas. Its unique wave action system pulls ingredients into the blades, ensuring smooth results. Compact and easy to clean, this is a solid choice for occasional blending. While it offers versatility, it's not ideal for crushing ice or handling tough ingredients. Still, for home cooks on a budget, this blender delivers dependable performance for everyday tasks like mixing batters or blending soft fruits and veggies. The Ninja bl610 caters to those with high performance expectations. Featuring a powerful 1,000-watt motor, this blender excels at crushing ice, blending frozen fruits, and creating silky smoothies. Its durable, BPA-free 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for family-sized servings or party prep. With its sleek design and incredible power, the Ninja bl610 stands out. However, for those looking for simple tasks or quieter blending, its noise level and advanced power might be more than you need. It's best suited for heavy-duty users. The Black & Decker PowerCrush strikes a balance between price and performance. With its quad-blade technology, it excels at blending smoothies, purees, and even crushing ice. Its 700-watt motor provides reliable power for most kitchen tasks. Plus, the anti-slip base ensures stability during use. What makes this blender special is its focus on convenience. The blender jar and blades are dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. While it's not as powerful as the Ninja, it's a dependable middle ground option for the everyday home cook. When analyzing these three blenders, their power, durability, and ease of use shine as key differentiators. Let's compare their performance in action to guide your decision-making process. The Hamilton Beach's 700-watt motor works well for soft ingredients, but struggles with tougher textures. The Black & Decker PowerCrush improves on this with a 700-plus motor that handles ice and denser foods. The Ninja bl610 leads the pack with 1,000 watts of raw power for unmatched blending strength. For durability, the Ninja's high-quality materials and large pitcher make it ideal for frequent, heavy use. The Hamilton Beach, being a more affordable choice, uses simpler materials suited for light tasks. The Black & Decker strikes a balance, offering solid construction at a reasonable price point. Both the Hamilton Beach and Black & Decker cater to home cooks who value simplicity with one-touch controls and dishwasher-safe components. The Ninja, while highly effective, may feel overwhelming for those seeking a more straightforward experience. Your choice should also depend on your budget. The Hamilton Beach is the most affordable, perfect if you need a basic blender without premium features. For a few extra dollars, the Black & Decker PowerCrush offers a better motor and additional features, while still being budget-friendly. If price isn't a concern and power is your priority, the Ninja bl610 is the ultimate pick. Its robust motor and professional-grade results justify its higher price point. It caters to avid foodies looking for versatility and speed in their blending adventures. So, which blender fits the bill for your kitchen? If you're a casual home cook seeking simplicity, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite is a no-brainer. For balanced performance and convenience, the Black & Decker PowerCrush gets the job done. And for power enthusiasts, the Ninja bl610 offers professional results on demand. Choosing the perfect blender doesn't have to be intimidating. Watch this video to see these models in action and find the one that complements your cooking style. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen tips and product comparisons. Which blender will you choose? Let us know in the comments below.